If you prefer a cleaner DuckDuckGo homepage, or you simply don't use the Favorites section, you can hide it in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Favorites section from DuckDuckGo Browser, and I'll also show you how to hide all homepage sections except the DuckDuckGo logo and search bar if you want the cleanest possible look. Let's get started. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser. Now click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, open Appearance and Language. Scroll until you find the Homepage Section Settings. Here you'll see a toggle for the Favorites section. Simply turn it off. The Favorites section will immediately disappear from your homepage. Now, if you'd like an even cleaner start page, you can disable the other homepage sections here as well. By turning off everything except the logo and search bar, you'll get a much more minimal homepage. This is especially nice if you're using a custom background image, since more of the background becomes visible instead of being covered by various widgets and sections. Many users prefer this setup because it creates a cleaner look and puts more focus on the wallpaper they've chosen. There are also two other ways to hide the Favorites section. The first alternative is clicking the Customize button in the bottom right corner of the homepage and disabling Favorites from the list of sections there. You can also right-click directly on the Favorites section and choose the option to hide or remove it. All three methods accomplish the same thing, so you can use whichever one is most convenient for you. And that's it. You've successfully made your DuckDuckGo browser more minimalistic and have one of the cleanest possible look now. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more DuckDuckGo tutorials, browser customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.